I just got soaked. No! My f***ing legs, bro. God dang it! I just started my ride, bro. Ah! What's going on, YouTube? R1 Rider, soaking wet, coming back at you with another video. We got hit with a hellacious amount of rain last night. I should have gone the other way. I knew that that's always there. Definitely not how I wanted to start the vlog. But what is good, everybody? What's poppin'? Today, we are meeting up with a couple people. Woo. My tire's still wet. Ugh. At least we're on a motorcycle and my pants should be dried off by the time we get there. That's the plus side. Dang it, man, that sucked so bad, bro. I wasn't even going that fast through there. My baby's so dirty. So yeah, we're heading up to the stunt lot. I don't know how to stunt, and I'm not gonna stunt this anyways. This bike is way too gorgeous, you know. Do I know how to wheelie? Yes, I know the concept. Am I very good at it? No. Can I do one? Yes. But anything can happen, and I'm not gonna risk ruining this beautiful baby girl by doing something stupid like a wheelie. So probably gonna go watch some people do some rolling burnouts, some wheelies, stuff like that. Get some nice little footage for y'all. Hey, my leg's drying up already. That's what's up. So I went to a drive-in movie theater, believe it or not, with my wife and kids, and it was so cool, man. Like to do like how they did back in the old times, you know, back when my grandparents and everything used to do it. It was fun. It was really fun. If you guys have never been to a drive-in movie theater and you guys have the chance to do it, go do it. It's a nice little, it's different. And of course, everyone met up at 12 o'clock. It is now 12:30. I'm always fashionably late. That, and I really had to drop a Mondo deuce. So I had to take care of business first. And of course, I always live buku far from everybody. Yeah, you could tell it rained a ton last night. The ditches are still all full and everything. Speed limit through here. Definitely not 80 mile an hour, bruh. Man, I had a lot of stuff to do around the house today, but it's so gorgeous out. It was supposed to rain all day. Nah, I'm out. I'm out riding. Alright, so I think we gotta meet up at the bar first. I'm not drinking, but that's where everybody's just meeting at. At the bar. Anybody out there? Nah, not yet. Don't look like it. Where are you at? You're at the stunt lot? I just passed there. I didn't see anybody there. Alright. Come on now. My balls be hot. Alright, guys. We here, baby. What's up, baby? What's the good? What's good? Where's Gator at? Out down the. You just drove by him. Oh, did I? What's good, bro?
Right?
Yeah, man, doing good.
Almost dropped a little bit.
What'd you break?
Everything. Out of it, and it was turning, and I was like, I need to give it more brake less, and it kept going. It wouldn't come back out. I was
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head out of the stunt lot. I'm gonna go ahead and head home, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage. We had a lot of fun here, sweating my ass off. Hey brother, be safe.
Be careful.
Be safe, bro. Looks like it's gonna start raining. Go ahead and head out before it does. I had a good time watching everybody stunt. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Thing's so dope. Oh, I guess I could have gone back that way. Shit. Yeah, make a U-turn here. Had a good time though, man. Good time, good people. A couple tires got completely shredded. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. As always, if you enjoyed, leave a like on the video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.